Yeah, Dave, technically County Road 181. Dan, you want to show everybody here why we are standing at County Road 181 and County Road 38, a UPS truck. We'd heard about it flipping over. Obviously, when you see it in person, though, just absolutely incredible, the power of Mother Nature. The driver of the UPS truck, as best as we understand, was taken away from the scene. The other UPS employee you see there drove in here to check out the damage. It's not the only damage that we saw out here. As we drove out of a deer trail, we actually also noticed in the distance over there a roof that was completely blown off. Kind of tough to see because of the topography and the hill. We'll go back though to the UPS truck itself. And again, when you talk about the power of Mother Nature, boy, it's simply incredible to see that truck that has toppled over on its top there. Trying to get some more information about the driver itself. I'm not sure what sort of information Highway Patrol is releasing at this point, but I'm going to quickly ask over here. Excuse me, sir. Sorry to bother. I'm just with Channel 2 and Fox. Any information on the driver itself?
I have no information on him right now.
Was the driver taken away from the scene, obviously?
I believe he was, but other than that, I just showed up, so I don't have any information as far as driver goes or anything like that. I'm still trying to figure it out myself. So
yeah, can you describe what you saw when you first got here? Obviously, Mother Nature pretty powerful.
I wasn't here for the tornado or anything, man. It's all I saw was I pulled up and saw the truck like this. That's as far as I've gotten so far. So,
and again, this other individual works with UPS, but he's just here to check on the damage, correct?
I believe so. Yep.
Okay. Anything else you wanted to add about the situation in the area out here?
Not at this time.
Had you heard any reports about that roof over there that we had heard had blown off, at least a portion of it?
I did not. It might have been something that the deputies handled.
Okay. Appreciate your time. Thank you. Stay safe. Again, the other guy out here with UPS was not the driver of this truck. We'll try to get more information on the driver. Him or herself. Again, you can hear the wind. Try to get closer to the camera. And Dave, we'll send it back to you. We'll keep this picture up live, of course, out here in extreme eastern Arapahoe County, just kind of in between Deer Trail and the Byers area. We'll send it back to you guys.